Hey guys, it's Kat and welcome to Cat's Eye. Well, today we're going to learn how to do the perfect French twist. Now, I've had some people ask me, Catherine, because I always wear my hair in a French twist, how do you do that? How do you put your hair up in a French twist and make it look so neat? This can be for anybody actually, because it's super easy to do, super fast, and it's always a classic look whether daytime or nighttime. So the first advice I can give to anybody when you're doing a French twist. I'm going to brush my hair. I know it's kind of gross, but the dirtier your hair is, the easier it is to put it up. I find when your hair is really clean, it's very slippery. Well, in terms of my hair, because I've got that Asian slick hair, and when it's clean, it just slides all over the place, and it's really difficult to handle. The type of pins that I use, I don't use the bobby pins. The bobby pins are the flat pins where you want to lay things flat. I like to use the hair pins, and I'll show you up close. It has like the little grippies right here. Mine are kind of bent, but you see? And you can pick these up at Sally's. You can maybe find them at Walmart. I like the thick kind because my hair is somewhat thick, so it grips and goes into the hair much easier. So, okay. Sometimes I like to just spritz my hair a little bit because I have just some flyaways in the front. And this is just water. I just put it in an old hairspray bottle. You know, I recycle. You should too. Then I take I know this brush is gross, but it's called my slicky brush, if that makes sense. Really smooths out my hair. And what I do, I like to wear it on the side part. And I just take my hair in a low ponytail, like so. And sometimes I just brush back from my part and make it slick down the back. Okay? And I don't really worry about the front part because you can fix that up once you're done. So now I've got it in a nice low ponytail, like so. And I'm going to turn around. See? Okay. So what I'm going to do now, let me get in the camera frame. I'm going to hold it like I'm holding a low ponytail, and I'm about to put elastic in, but I'm not. I'm going to take my left hand and hold the ponytail, and I'm going to take my right hand, and I'm going to start twisting up, like so. And I like to keep it fairly tight. Can y'all see that? Meanwhile, I'm rolling and pushing and pulling my ponytail all the way up, like so. Now, I have extra on the top. See? A little sprout. But in the meantime, I'm not worried about that. I'm going to start taking pins, and I'm going to start from the bottom and push them around and pull them through at the bottom. I call that the anchor. And take another one. In the meantime, I'm holding quite tightly with my left hand with my fingers underneath my hair, underneath the roll. And I'm going to go through and pin. Take another one and just go up. Can y'all see my gray hair? Okay, so when I feel like it's kind of firm and it's going to stay slightly, I just start pinning all the way up, like so. And I keep pushing my hair under and just keep pinning up. Like so. Yay, now I've got a little twig up there. Not little. What you do with that twig is you take it and you can kind of mold your hair into it. And what I'm going to do is you can tuck it under. That's what I do. So you take it and you roll it like so. And then you can take another pin and take it over the top of your head and just pin it under like so. See? Now don't worry about all this wonkiness because your hair can be molded. So if it feels a little loose, keep pushing and rolling under and pin. And again, to get it nice and flat. Like so. Now, if you want, you can leave it and have a nice bang. I think that's cute. Or if you want to have it nice and slicked back, I just take my water spritzer, a la old hairspray bottle, and I take one of these really cheap, you can get them at Walmart. It's like, they look like what you get at the barber shop. I don't know. But I take it and I just kind of comb through and slick it back like so. And if you want, you can leave your bangs down. Let's take it all the way back. So I'm just going to gently spritz. Wow, it does really go up easier when your hair is dirty. Trust me. And you could just comb the back. Ooh, see, so nice. And don't worry. There you go. A little bit more water. And just, you can smooth it back like so. I love this look. If I have to go to an event, if I have to go to a wedding, or I just want to look polished and elegant, I think this is the best way. It's just super easy. You don't have to worry about, oh, is my hair going to get messed up tonight? I know it's not going to go anywhere. And if there's lumps, don't worry. You can always take an extra pin, go through the top, and smooth it down well. And if it gets messed up, don't worry about it. Just take it out. That took what? 5 minutes? Super easy, super quick. If you want to finish off with some hairspray, I love Pantene. It's just regular hairspray. I like to use level 4, so it keeps everything in place. That's when I go and teach my ballet classes, but there you go. It's how to do a French twist. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more reviews or more tutorials like this, click like and subscribe. Remember, I'm Kat from Cat's Eye. Let me know what you thought about this tutorial. Let me know if it was easy, or if you have some tips and tricks that can make it easier. So, okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Oh, and don't forget, I upload every Wednesday and Sunday, and I'll see you then. Bye.